Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P1840, which stands for Continuous Variable Transmission CVT Speed Sensor Circuit Forward Rotation Range Performance, indicates an issue with the CVT speed sensor. The 2022 Honda Civic is equipped with a sophisticated CVT system that monitors the rotation of the secondary shaft to optimize performance and enable smooth shifting. When the detected voltage levels from the CVT speed sensor do not match the expected values, the Transmission Control Module (TCM) identifies this discrepancy as an abnormality and stores the DTC. This code may alert drivers to potential performance issues, which can manifest in driving behavior, including hesitation or erratic shifting. Understanding the components involved is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Primarily, the CVT speed sensor monitors the rotational speed of the secondary shaft, which is critical in determining the proper gear selection in association with the vehicle's speed. The CVT speed sensor is a critical component that informs the TCM of the rotational speed of the secondary shaft within the CVT system. Located on the transmission housing, the sensor detects the speed and sends this information to the TCM to aid in optimal gear selection. If the sensor fails, it can lead to inaccurate readings, consequently affecting the driving performance. The TCM processes these signals and reacts accordingly. A malfunctioning TCM can further complicate the issue, making it crucial to test both components during troubleshooting. The TCM, or Transmission Control Module, interprets input signals from various sensors, including the CVT speed sensor, and manages the transmission's operation. Together, these components maintain vehicle performance and efficiency, highlighting their importance in the troubleshooting process. Several possible causes may lead to the DTC P1840 being stored. Firstly, a faulty CVT speed sensor is a primary suspect. Wear and tear or internal failures can lead to unreliable sensor readings. The second cause could be a malfunction in the TCM itself, which may misinterpret normal sensor signals, resulting in an erroneous code. Lastly, wiring issues such as frayed wires or poor connections can disrupt the communication between the CVT speed sensor and the TCM, leading to a mismatch in expected voltage levels. Each of these issues needs careful examination during the troubleshooting process to rectify the DTC effectively. Symptoms associated with DTC P1840 can vary, but generally include erratic shifting of the CVT, which may feel like hesitations or unexpected RPM changes when accelerating. Drivers might also notice a warning light illuminated on the dashboard, specifically indicating a transmission issue, commonly the check engine or a transmission warning light. In some cases, the vehicle may not shift properly at higher speeds, which can lead to reduced performance or even safety concerns. Addressing these symptoms promptly is vital, as prolonged issues can lead to more significant transmission failures or operational hazards. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P1840 involves safely raising the vehicle on a lift, ensuring that it is securely supported. This step is crucial for technician safety and to allow access to the vehicle's undercarriage. Once elevated, it's essential to make sure all four wheels can rotate freely, which is important for accurate testing of the CVT system function. This preliminary inspection lays the foundation for further diagnostic steps by ensuring the vehicle is in the correct position for performing tests. Properly preparing the vehicle is vital to obtaining correct diagnostic results and ensuring safety during the inspection process. The second troubleshooting step is to start the engine and disable the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) system. Disabling VSA is necessary because this system can interfere with the diagnostic tests by altering the vehicle's performance under certain conditions. Once the engine is running, the technician should ensure the vehicle is in drive V position, or mode. This setup enables the vehicle's transmission to operate under a controlled environment while conducting further tests. These steps are essential to replicate normal driving conditions and gather accurate data from the CVT components. In this third step, the technician must drive the vehicle at a speed exceeding 19 mph, 30 kilometers per hour, for at least 5 seconds. This action is crucial to ensure the CVT system operates under standard conditions, allowing the collection of accurate data from the CVT speed sensor. Meanwhile, the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, should be utilized to monitor the direction of secondary shaft rotation. If the HDS indicates any value other than forward, this suggests a duplication of the failure condition. Nonetheless, if the reading appears normal, this provides insight into the health of the TCM and other components in the system. This step plays a pivotal role in determining whether the issue lies with the CVT speed sensor or the TCM. After completing necessary repairs, conducting a final verification is paramount. This process involves ensuring that the readings from the HDS conform to the expected outputs, especially that the direction of secondary shaft rotation displays forward. Upon confirming that the appropriate repairs were conducted, it's essential to clear any diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, stored in the system. This step ensures that no residual faults remain and allows for a fresh start in monitoring the vehicle's performance. By rechecking the system's behavior post-repair, the technician can confidently verify that the issues associated with DTC P1840 have been resolved successfully. A comprehensive final check minimizes the risk of overlooking any hidden faults and upholds vehicle reliability. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in mitigating issues associated with DTC P1840. Regular checks on the transmission fluid levels and condition help ensure that the CVT operates effectively. Additionally, keeping an eye on the performance of the CVT speed sensor through diagnostic checks can preempt failures that trigger this DTC. Implementing a program of scheduled vehicle inspections can also help maintain overall health and functionality. By taking preventive measures, the risk of transmission-related problems can be significantly reduced. This proactive approach supports long-term reliability and performance of the vehicle's drivetrain system. In summary, understanding DTC P1840 is fundamental for diagnosing and correcting issues related to the CVT speed sensor and TCM operation in the Honda Civic 2022 Plus. By following the systematic troubleshooting steps outlined, technicians can effectively isolate the root cause of the problem, whether it be a faulty sensor, a malfunctioning TCM, or wiring issues. It is important to recognize the indications of performance degradation and respond promptly to preserve vehicle reliability. Additionally, engaging in preventive maintenance can help avert potential faults before they escalate into major repairs. Ultimately, a thorough grasp of these diagnostic codes and diligent maintenance practices will ensure optimal performance and drivability of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.